sociology, everywhere it showed up for me because in GS I scored 437 across like four
वाह।
GS papers.
और ओवरऑल ऐसे वो कौन सा पेपर है कि जिसमें जो जो तुमने प्रोसेस फॉलो किया, मार्क्स दिखा कि कोरिलेट हो रहे थे विद द एफर्ट, कि हाँ ये बहुत एफर्ट किया था, ऑल राइट, ये मार्क्स भी आ गए? कौन सा वाला सब्जेक्ट था एंड व्हाट एक्चुअली डिड यू डू डू देयर?
So I would say again with the sole exception of sociology, everywhere it showed up for me because in GS I scored 437 across like four
वाह,
GS papers. GS1 was
नाइस।
106 for me, GS2 was
ओके।
112, GS3 was 96, and GS4 I think 124 if I'm remembering correctly.
वाह।
And essay was 121 for me.
ओके।
So all like five papers went very well for me. But
हम्म।
I would say GS3 because that
हम्म।
was the paper that I was the most underconfident about in terms of like
ओके।
writing the paper. It is such a vast paper in terms of the syllabus. So much
हम्म।
of diversity from economics to agriculture to environment to climate, like
हम्म।
everything you have under one heading. So,
हम्म।
and that paper, I really prepared hard from toppers copies. This was the Bible of my preparation. I never like picked up books for my
ओके।
preparation for mains.
ओके।
For prelims, I did all of the basic books. For mains, I did not have time. So I used to do toppers copies. And I made so many dynamic examples of it in my Google sheet and I used to revise them and I used to write a lot of answers. So that really showed up. And when I got 96, I was also very pleasantly surprised because in the actual exam also, I was not very
हम्म।
confident that I would get pass. In fact, this year, so many people were talking about the difficulty of the paper in terms of inequality
हम्म।
adjusted HDI and all of those questions, thermonuclear reactors, which were very
हम्म।
out of the ordinary. But for
हम्म।
me, I think even though I did not know the answers to all of them in a very diligent fashion, the general preparation I had done, it had given me a lot of material to write